Hello everyone, my name is Kojuni and the theme I will present is Ethnic and Information Technology. So the topics I will present today is intellectual property, types of intellectual property, licensed product, plagiarism, and how to use the internet image legally. The first is intellectual property. So what is intellectual property? It is a set of intangible assets or brand recognition protection to protect the individual or company's contributions, property that are not being free use or copied by others. The intellectual property can be used in many departments of business, such as marketing, management, finance, management information system, and research and development. There are 4 types of intellectual property. The first is patents. The patent is to protect the owner can have the right to produce their own invention, such as design, ideas, and the process of inventions. The second is trademarks. Trademarks is to protect the name, symbol, and the logo that can be identified the origin source of the brand, product, or service. Example, Halal logo is one of the certification marks. The third is copyright. Copyright is to allow authors and the creators of the original source to have exclusive right to produce, use, copy, or duplicate their works. They usually will use it in musical works, artworks, films, and sound recordings. The fourth is trade secret. Trade secret is to protect the business process and information that is not open to public. For example, is formula, process, customer list, and the recipe. But there will happen the unexpected issues is like ex-employee might expose the secret information to the others. The next is licensed product. What is licensed product? This is a product service that produced by licensed method that combine with brands, image, characters which is claimed as patent rights. So the company would like to buy licensed product instead of making their own product. This is because when they need to gain the profits in the short time, but they don't have the skill or time to produce their new product, they will be willing to buy the licensed product. There are advantages and disadvantages of licensed product. Advantages is the company can experience the process of the product that they buy, and they can open a new market segment. The third is reduce the time to invent the new product. Fourth is costless to purchase compared to buying the whole company. However, the disadvantages is the license of the product have their time limit. They need to purchase it continuously. The second is the company might lose capability on produce their own contributions. Since we talk about intellectual property, then it will happen the issues of plagiarism before it. This is considered as theft or fraud actions. The example of plagiarism can be fields, which is the contributions is copying by from the others. This is the plagiarism. The second is take the others' works as your own work. You just copy or download from the outside source or the internet and you didn't cite it properly, then it also a plagiarism. The third is incorrect or improper citing the original source. The next is reuse the same outcome from other work. For example, you use the same source again in the other work. So the last, how we legally use image on internet. So we can get access to the image, photo, map, table, or other infographic through internet. But we need to consider it is whether a copyright issues or not before we download or copy the image. First, we need to find the credit, original creator, copyright informations, and also identify licensable image of the image we have researched. And we can find the information through the metadata of the image. And next, if image have no license is attached to it, then we need to get permission from the creator before we using it. That's all for me. Thank you.